What's going on, guys? Listen, I know I'm off to a bad start. I post one video and dip out, but I didn't want to bore you guys with a whole bunch of videos of us doing rust repair on the cab. Steven and Mike have been killing it, putting in a lot of work on the cab, so eventually I will do a video and update you guys on everything they've done. But we finally got the frame back from powder coat, so today we're gonna install one of the baddest coilover suspensions that you can get for a C10. So check out the frame and let's get into the video.
That's for sure though. Grinding from the grip, no shame, take a photo. Time to take a trip, we head north to the border. Say you feeling up, I'm my favorite type of hoarder. I got kids to feed, I got enemies, I got guys give, so they envy me.
We're installing QA1's full coilover suspension on the C10. Today we are going to focus on the front suspension. Let's unbox it and get started. Instructions, don't need those. Bolts. Bolts. Instructions. Alright, so the first thing I did before the frame went to powder coat was I cut out all the factory brackets that we will not be using with the new suspension. So this is the original bracket that the control arm mounted to, and this is our new bracket. It is going to sit just like that. So the first thing we have to do is cut out this hole bigger, and it'll sit flush right there. So let's get some tools, get that hole cut out, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so now that we got our hole cut, the bracket fits up really nicely, it's flush, the holes line up. I'm going to touch this up with some paint, and then we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that the paint has dried, I'm going to tighten down these bolts, torque them, and then I'm going to install the shock and the control arms.
Talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Young guy, trust guy, I be like, what's up guy? I was down so bad, I took those L's, I was like, what guy? Now I'm up on my way to the bank, I'm laughing, ha ha. Now I'm up on belly here, thinking hater, rah rah. Okay, moment I fade, I gotta go away. Okay, pressure on me heavy, can't make no mistakes. Okay, I remember time back down on 5th block, never switch sides, free PC until he touchdown. Chucking two up to the other side. It's all I just know we down the ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Now we got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. I've been working really grinding. Timeless, timing, perfect, see me wildin'. Flying, getting on my mileage. Rising, silent, see me see them biting. Everything's been changing, not the same no more. Nothing is the same, who's to blame, don't know this game no more. I still do my thing and stack this change until I can't no more. People say I changed, but to my mom, he's still a baby boy.
Alright guys, the suspension is done. Let's go check it out. One thing I forgot to mention with these coilovers, they are double adjustable, meaning I can adjust the rebound and the compression separately. As we get further along, I will explain all that and go into detail. But yeah, pretty cool. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As soon as I get that rear end rebuilt, we will install the rear suspension. But until then, peace.